Okay, I have got a GE washer and dryer in excellent shape. And this is run through, it's on the final spin, and I wanted you to be able to hear what it sounded like while spinning. Right now it's running the drain and getting the last little bit of water out of those clothes. Spins nice and fast. It's nice and level. No weird noises or anything like that. Those are all things that I check for and make sure that they run as close to like new as possible, and these two do. What I'll do is move those clothes over here as soon as they finish out, show you that they're nice and light, move them over to the dryer and show you that the dryer heats. I can actually show you that the dryer is heating just fine right now. I've just got it up there on auto dry. It's also time dry, but little heat gun here shows surface temperature, whatever that red light is on, and I'll just show you real quick. It's in fact heating. Great. So plenty of heat in there. Switch it over to time dry. So I'm going to pause this for a sec, let it finish up, because it spins for about 5 to 7 minutes or so. So we'll pause that and come back to it. Okay, and so these clothes here, we're going to pull them out. They're nice and light. There's no excess water in those clothes whatsoever here. Excellent. So I will move those over to the dryer, and you can hear the dryer run with a full load, and we'll double check that heat for you. Okay, so I've got the washer cleaned out and all of those clothes here in the dryer. So we'll close that up, and here we go. As you can hear, that sounds great. No knocking or vibration or anything like that. Just pop this open and shoot that heat. Excellent, and as you can see, still heats just fine. That's on time dry this time. I always make sure the heat works in all the cycles. So we'll let that go ahead and dry those clothes there. And essentially now you know that they work good, work as they should. And if you have any questions, please reach out. Otherwise, really appreciate you taking the time to watch the video. Thanks.